Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I have this crazy person here. Oh my god. Yeah, he's too loud.
It's me, James Butler. If you don't know, now you know.
Now you know. I thought it was, if you don't know, now you know. You know.
No, that's the white people version.
Oh.
That's the radio version. In real life, they say, if you don't know, now you know,
nigga. Okay. I learned something today. So I have a very exciting video today with James.
Yes.
So me and James were just talking in the car. He's like, yo, I want to do your makeup. And you go out, and then he calls me and he's like, yo, I want to do it. So today we decide we're going to transform him into a female.
A bad bitch.
His face is going to be beat. And not just beat. We're going to have the hair and outfit. But the challenge is he has to go out
in
dressed
public.
like that. And he will have to pick up a guy. We're going to go out to eat, get his nails done. Everything, okay? So if you guys want to see the part of him doing all the other stuff, make sure you check his channel out and also subscribe to his channel. By the way, this dude just got in the Beats by Dre.
Oh yeah.
I'm like, I don't know why I'm so pressed. Like, I have a friend in a freaking Beats by Dre commercial. So congrats to you. I'm really happy for you.
Thank you so much.
But anyway, guys, so with no further ado, let's get into this makeup.
I'm so excited.
Right now, I'm just gonna make a tail on your brows. He has strong brows, bro.
I do?
Yeah.
Beauty gurus would say I have strong brows.
Yeah,
okay.
I think so.
Would you consider yourself a beauty guru?
I don't.
What is your? You don't put a label.
No.
You just like makeup.
Yeah, I just do it. You know.
Mm-hmm.
But no, I don't put myself as that because I don't think I'm that great at what I do. But
what?
Yeah.
Your videos are so bomb. I binged them last night.
Shut
I had my
up.
2 glasses of wine. My boyfriend was out. I swear to God.
Okay, what
I
video
swear to
did
God,
you watch?
I watched your transformation, which was so good. I was like, she's so quiet and shy. With her 6.9 million views.
Oh God.
What else did I watch? I watched your Patrick Star. Trying to do his makeup tutorial. I did my research. You're one of my favorite YouTubers now.
Oh my God.
Because I love other YouTubers who like have a story and aren't afraid to show it.
Yeah.
And tell it and like, you know what I mean? Inspire. Because I feel like when you have an audience and an influence like we do, we should use it for the greatness, for the good.
You're right. Like I sit here sometimes and I just wonder like, what else can I do that can help? You know?
Help people. That's me.
Like,
and sometimes it drives me crazy because people DM me like, because all my most viral videos are me sharing like really personal stuff about my life. And so then people come and share things with me. And I'm like, what can I do to help? What can I?
How did you come out? Did you ever have a come out?
I did have come out, but it was very weird. I didn't even come out to like friends or family first. I came out to the internet.
Oh,
right.
So that's how you people
know. Yes.
Because, I mean, maybe they did know before that.
They definitely knew, bitch. There was nothing to come out of. That closet was clear. It was see-through.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
So how did your parents take it? Like your mom?
They did not care.
Really?
They still don't.
That's good.
They never my mom brought it up once when she came to Disney in LA. When I first moved here. She said, just make sure you're safe. Like, I love you, blah, 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 blah. That's it.
Really?
And I had this like little boo that I liked in high school, and she picked him up from the bus stop to come hang out with me one day. So she knew. I said he was my friend, but she knew.
She knew. She was like,
knew.
Friend indeed.
Friend indeed. But yeah, my parents are really supportive. What was your biggest like, not accomplishment, like for me, I guess my biggest like wow from YouTube, not like modeling or anything, was like Teen Vogue. Like, you know what I mean? Every time I think about, like, what was, like, one of the biggest, coolest things I've done? Oh, maybe not Teen Vogue. Like, I've done some other cool things since then. But, like, you know what I mean? Like, what was that? Like, did anybody call? What was that one phone call that was, like, wow?
So, there was an email that I did not see until last minute. And I'm like, dang it, I wish I saw that email faster. But they didn't send me an email. They actually messaged me on YouTube. And I didn't know I didn't know that I had a message thing on YouTube, so I never checked it. So when they finally emailed me, it was too late. But this was Ellen. Yes, it was the Ellen people. But It was too late because I already signed to go into the Rachel Ray show. So they wanted exclusivity. So I couldn't do it because I already...
You went to Rachel Ray?
Yeah, I was on
How
the
was that?
It was really fun.
It was fun?
I was nervous. I gave another burn survivor like a makeover.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's so beautiful, Shalom.
Yeah.
Wow, Ellen, no bitch. I love Rachel, but Ellen, bitch.
That's what everyone said. I was like, but I'm not even mad though.
No,
like,
absolutely. Everything happens for a reason.
Get done with you. Last time I can call you mine. Once more than I swear we are through.